Salad Master lovers! Welcome to Bird. Yes, at the Bird Center, and we're having our registration at ang daming mga Pinoy na Salad Master Global Family. There's from the Hawaii, Seattle, there's Australia, sa Perth, ayan, Philippines, Bennett, ayan, 5C, Perth, Ate Cheryl, andun yung iba, ang dami pa, Ate Cheryl, ayun, woo! I got my ID. Hi, sir. I'm good. How about you? Yee! Saya.
Meat and beef.
Thank you. Hello, we're from Bennett Salad Master Philippines. Mabuhay. Happy 80th Salad Master. Yes. Hello.
I said you are the superstar distributor.
Oh.
She always sells chips. I met her.
Only by God's grace. Thank you. Only by God's grace. You can do it too. Anyone can do it. Right? Your team is great. You're from Atisha.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Nandito pa si J-Lo. One of the best. Yeah. All of us. Thank you.
Baka mama. Sige, anong pangalan ko?
Ate Annie. Ate Ann. Ate Geraldine. Sandali ko. Ang dami ko kasing kausap. Ano natin, TikTok. Bati na.
Hi.
Ano dealership? From where dealership?
Yeah. Hi. Philippines, right? Okay, ano ba yung...
No, your dealership.
Okay.
Saan?
Masters Indie. We're just 1 year old dealer.
Saan state?
Indianapolis, Indiana. This
Wow.
is Ann Massey.
Ate Ann.
Yeah,
Ate
DJ.
Del. And magti-tiktok ko yung mga yan. Gusto, si Ate Geraldine, yung the famous na nagigitara na hawak ko ang beat. Si Ate Ann sasayaw.
Hang out tayo later, ha? Kayong bansa.
Yes.
Sa Indianapolis, Indiana. Philippines.
Ay!
Talaga? Sa inyo dumadaan. Sa Bennett. Yeah. Nandito ba siya?
Ate, pa-share kayo sa amin. Ay, picturean mo kami.
Sila pang number.
Dali-dali naka-live tayo eh. Ano mo naman sasabi mo?
Ako na lang.
Ano masasabi mo, ate?
So excited.
Excited for our event. Yay! I'm excited makita kayo. Picture tayo. Woo! Ang saya?
May number ka na, Ann?
Number. Yung ganito. Yeah. I got my ticket.
But wait till you light your bag at the end. Alright, hello. The same for you. Your dealer will have your bus cards, but you can go to the end over there and get your bag. Yeah, you can go now. Yeah.
Hi, ma'am. I'm with them.
Okay. The same for you. You
Maria.
can follow to the end and get your bag.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Woo!
Same, right? Okay. Yeah.
Wait lang. Si Ate Cheryl. Wow! Guys, look at this. Oh, grabe ang bunga. What do we have? Wow! Thank you, Salad Master! Wow, I love the notebook too. I love the bag. I love them all. Isn't it? It's, ay, ang ganda niyan. Umiilaw yan. Oh, yeah.
You want to make sure you have this because this holds your name down.
Lagay na natin sa bag natin yung ID natin.
Baka may 80 ito.
Thank you, Salad Master!
photos or videos you
Oh,
take.
yes.
Oh, wow.
QR code.
So
That's
put that
cool.
Right in the front. There you go. Thank you so much. Here you go. Enjoy the conference.
Yes, you will.
Enjoy.
I'm excited for the 80s party. Woo! Who's excited? Who's excited?
We are excited.
Yes. I'm gonna put my ID inside the bag. Guys, grabe, ang galing. Thank you, Salad Master. Saya. It's already 4:11 p.m. here at Milwaukee. Mabuhay, Pilipinas.
Ito na yung
Madaling
dadalhin
araw
natin
pa lang.
back.
Oh, you want to talk sa amin, Lucia? Hello. Yay! Are we done already? Ay, dito. Okay, okay.
So we have to be in the background.